So we talked about all the big headings: assets, liabilities, equity. But let's break those down a little further. We're going to dive into some accounts, so let's talk about the asset account prepaid expenses. The textbook definition of prepaid expenses are future expenses that have been paid in advance. In other words, prepaid expenses are costs that have been paid but are not yet used up or have not yet expired. Now, the definition you need to know is that prepaid expenses are expenses that you've paid for in advance, and because you haven't used them yet, you haven't recorded the expense, and until you do, it just sits on your balance sheet. So the easiest example is paying a 6-month insurance premium. If you pay that in January 2022 and it covers your business from February 2022 through July 2022, 1/6 of the total expense will be removed from the asset account prepaid insurance and will be moved to your profit and loss in an expense account called insurance. Now, this would happen every month for 6 months until the prepaid item is $0 or until the next 6-month premium is paid and the cycle happens all over again. Now, this is a more accurate way of accounting for expenses, but as a cash basis taxpayer, you don't have to worry about this. You'll get the expense for the entire 6 months when the payment clears your bank. Where are they on my financial statements? Prepaid expenses are assets, and they show up on your balance sheet.